This is a quick review on the PowerBot 5.9-inch charging and data transfer cable. What's nice about this is that it's very short, but it's very flexible. It's a strong, thick material that seems like it will last a lot longer than your standard USB cable. So when you have a lot of devices that you're trying to charge or connect up, this is pretty nice. So I just want to demonstrate that this device charges as it should. Okay. Yep. This charger takes a little bit until it charges at the full rate, and pretty much the most I've ever seen it is about 1.445, and it's right there. This is the charging at 1.46 with a small, very flexible cable. So if you had another device that you want to charge it with, you can set it right there and have it charge right on top of it with a short cable that's not too bulky. Thank you.